Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some interesting crafts using the leaves. So watch the video till the end and follow along. So here we are making a girl using the leaves. Cut it like this and paste them together as shown in the video. Make it dress like this, paste all the leaves together and your painting is almost ready. You can make any character like using the leaves in the same manner. It's ready. For more such interesting crafts, you have to watch this video till the end and let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. So here we will be making a hen. For that we will stick the bushy leaves like this. Now take a leaf and paste it. Make its eyes, nose. Now we will make its small chicks around it using the peanut shells. Make it and it's ready. Next, we will take the dry leaves and crush it and paste it over the white sheet like this. Now take the clay to make the ants. Make few ants around it like this. Now make the trees around using the dry leaves and it's ready. Next, take the bushy leaves like this and then roll it and fix it like this. Now we will make the neck of the bird. Draw its neck like this, draw its legs. After that, draw the leaves around it as shown in the video and your painting is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a fairy using the leaf. For that, take a paper, cut it out like this and fix it inside the leaf. Now we will make its frock using the leaves like this. Make a stick in its hand, draw its eyes, nose and the mouth and it's ready. Next, we'll be making the hens using the leaves. Paste the yellow leaves like this on the white sheet. Now take a red color leaf to make their crown and beak. Cut it and paste them one by one. Now stick their eyes. Put the dry leaves around it as shown in the video and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.